5 set, lot EC3 3mm, EC5 5mm male-female golden bullet connector plug for RC ESC Mo. 5 set, lot EC3 3mm, EC5 5mm male-female golden bullet connector plug for RC ESC motor Lipo battery car. Airplane boat done DIY parts. Overview. EC3 and EC5 connectors are a popular choice for connecting RC batteries and ESCs. They are made of gold-plated copper, which provides good conductivity and corrosion resistance. The connectors are also designed to be very secure, with a locking mechanism that prevents them from coming loose during use. Features: gold-plated copper construction for good conductivity and corrosion resistance. Secure locking mechanism prevents connectors from coming loose. Available in both 3mm and 5mm sizes. Suitable for a variety of RC applications. Applications: EC3 and EC5 connectors are commonly used to connect RC batteries and ESCs. They can also be used to connect other electronic components, such as servos and receivers. Benefits: secure connection, good conductivity, corrosion resistance, wide range of applications. Conclusion: EC3 and EC5 connectors are a versatile and reliable choice for connecting RC batteries and ESCs. They are available in a variety of sizes to suit different applications, and they are easy to use.